Hey everyone, Hiccup here, and thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It honestly means the world to me to just be part of an amazing community that I've managed to build. Like over 100 people actually do like my videos, and I am so grateful for that. So thank you. To celebrate, I would like to do something special for all of you guys, but I have one problem. I don't know what to do. So, if you guys have any ideas of what you guys want me to do, then please leave them in the comment section, and I'll look at them and decide which one would be best for me. Alright, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I am eternally grateful.